welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have an unboxing of something I've been seeing on Facebook and Instagram ads popping up. I guess I showed a little interest in the item and it kept popping up and I broke down and bought it. It's a Piscifun Kraken electric reel. I think it's a 5000 model. It says it's a big game with a Japanese motor in it. I ordered this a couple days ago. It came, and we're gonna pop it open right now for you guys to check it out. Okay, let's open this thing up and see how it looks. It came in a kind of a sketchy looking reused Amazon box. I wasn't sure what the heck that was about, but it was kind of tore up the box, but inside of this looks pretty good. Okay, this is some strong plastic here. I guess I should cut it some more. Oh yeah, sweet. The box is really nice. Look at this thing. I got the right hand version. A nice box, sealed up very well. Let's crack it open right now. See how this thing looks. Says it has a gear ratio of 5:1. It holds 545 yards of 40-pound test. It has a voltage of 12 to 16.8. Maximum drag 33 pounds. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check this out. Oh my God! Come on. It's a nice box. It's almost too nice, this box. Okay, here we go. Dang, this thing is in there. Okay, my arm is kind of hurt though. Yeah, some. Oh, okay. So this looks like the cord that you could hook up to your battery, like on the boat somewhere. I think you could hook it up to some kind of 12-volt battery. There's a connector right there. So we got a cord. We have the instruction manual. I'll read that later. Comes with a bag, nice bag. Comes with a reel clamp and a wrench. Looks pretty nice. Nothing else in here. Okay, here we go. Ooh, okay. And here's the reel. Let's get this reel. Oh, it's pretty good size. Nothing else. Okay, nothing else in the box. Let's chuck that over there. Oh, here's the reel. It has some heft to it. That's pretty nice. Oh, the star drag is a big star drag wheel here, man. And then it has a free spool for dropping down. It has what's that? Oh, that's a free wheel adjustment. Speed here. Yeah, it's a hefty reel. A nice knob. It has a nice. Yeah, it has a nice feel to it. Oh, it's level wind too. That'd be cool. I mainly got this for fishing off the west coast of California for rockfish and sand dabs and black cod, stuff like that. Ling cod. We got a little deeper water the past couple years. I think this year is even deeper, but I think the season opens back up in October, so I got a little time to get this set up and try out. But yeah, I like it. It's pretty nice, and I guess this is where you plug in your battery at. And overall, it's cool. I like it. It doesn't feel light. It feels pretty hefty. Plastic looks a little too shiny. You know, a little duller. Probably look a little more expensive. But yeah, I got this on sale from Piscifun's website. And there was like a 20% discount code from I think it was like Southwest Florida YouTube page or something. But yeah, look them up and there's like a little code for that. Cool. The reel's nice. I like it. I got some 50-pound braid that I'm going to put on here from Reaction Tackle. I've been using that often and had good luck with that stuff. So we'll stick that on here. It probably holds like 400 yards or 380 it says in the manual for a 50-pound test. Okay, cool. Let's reel. Okay, this is the battery I got with it. Check this battery out. Okay, we got this 14.8 volt. Does it come with a charger? I don't know. We'll find out in a second. It's I guess it's a lithium battery. 14.8 volt, 5,000 milliamp. Portable battery for the electric reel, PB5000. Okay, let's pop it open. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, little instruction charging manual. We have a battery case, like a little neoprene holder. Let's put the battery. I've seen people like stick this on the rod. Okay, and then we have a cable. It looks like it's it's a short cable. Okay, it's a short cable. Oh, maybe we got a charger. I see a power cord here. Oh, yes. We do have a charger. That looks pretty cool. There. Okay. It comes with a charger. And then here's the battery. Oh, it's not that big. Yeah, so this is the battery it comes with. It's nice. Let's see, what's this screw-on thing? Okay, so I think you could either stick it in here. Ooh, it's on already. Okay, so that I think you just tighten that lock ring up there. So I guess you could run the battery here off the reel, or you could hook this cord up and run it along the rod, or I guess on the butt, wherever you want to run it at. Oh, it's on. Okay, I don't know how to use it, but oh, I'll just push this pickup tab. Okay, I think you had to set the line so it knows where it's at, but I'll do that later. Let's tighten this drag up, see. Oh, that's pretty strong. The little nub almost took my fingertip off. Cool, I like it. So I don't think there's any switch to turn it on and off, so I think you just gotta unscrew the battery. Kind of cool if it had a switch, though. I mean, this is, I don't know. If it had a switch to turn it on, probably be pretty nice. I mean, I don't know if that's an afterthought or what, not to have a switch that, well, we'll find out, though. Yeah, I like it. It looks pretty cool. We'll see how it works. I mean, all the reviews I've seen people give reviews on, they say they love this thing. So I will try it out. Hopefully, we'll try it on something. It might not be deep, but we'll try it on something even shallow rockfish and see how it works out. Cool. So here you go. Kraken, Piscifun Kraken reel and the battery. See you guys later.